basic electrode, and this is rutile electrode. If you don't know the difference, but then stick around. The basic rod gives a tight, steady arc with strong penetration. The rutile rod? Softer arc, less spatter, easier to control. Basic rods leave heavy slag but offer stronger welds, perfect for critical jobs. Rutile rods peel off easy and leave a cleaner bead, ideal for light fabrication. Basic rods are moisture sensitive. Store them in a rod oven. Rudal? Plug and play, but not for high-stress structures. Tag that one welder who still can't tell the difference.